Lake Whatcom is a treasure worth protecting because it's the source of our drinking water, home to many native species of animals, and a recreational center. Hi, I'm Chris Ohana, and this property is HIP. HIP provides financial and technical support to improve your yard and protect Lake Whatcom. HIP projects soak up runoff and filter out pollution before it reaches the lake. HIP staff helped us by assisting in the design of the yard. It's important to do our part because we can improve our yards while improving the quality of the lake. HIP sounded like the right program for us because our project was so large that it was important to us to be able to develop it in stages. For our HIP project, we converted over 3,200 square feet of our yard into native landscaping. Before installing our HIP project, our yard was a mix of bare dirt and grass. After installing our HIP project, our yard was a lot easier to maintain. Learn how you can become a HIP homeowner at lakewhatcomhip.org.